Hello, it's Davida. Welcome to Abstract and Flow. Yes, I am sounding a lot happier today because I'm not frustrated with a bad pour. So, I wanted to share with you all today. Look what I got. One of those mini blowers. So, I'm gonna try and make something pretty. Now, I did a few the other day, and you really can't use the Artist Loft paints as a base because they're too thin. So, I'm using my house paint that I use in my blooms. Now your colors, those should be thin because you want to have some movement. So it's not a bloom, it's not a Dutch pour, but you still want to have, your paint to be fluid so it can blow. So I got my little blower, and let's see what we can get. Now I just did 2 little blows going across it. Well, that's not good, is it? Oh, look, that's pretty. Alrighty now. So, once you blow it, pick up the tile and smash it down on your spinner, and you'll get this little cute design. Oh my goodness, what a day. But look, there's some cells, and that's being created by the floetrol that's in the paint. That turned out actually pretty good. So let's do another one. Oh, I cracked myself up. I'll try to hang on to it this time. Okay, so we got our tile. We got some Walmart ready pour paint. Gonna put down a little teal. Actually, I think I'm going to... Nope. I'm just going to put teal down. There we go. Right there in the center. And... little purple. Okay, and here we go with our mini blower. And I'm just going to do a quick crisscross. And I'm going to try to hold on to it this time. Okay, here we go. Spread it out a little bit. So you don't have to just use your tiles to get some blooms. You can get some pretty oh Lord, get some really nice designs if you have one of those little mini blowers. I'm not really feeling this one. Maybe I should throw it on a spinner, see what happens. I don't like this little part right there, so I'm going to tilt that off, because I really wanted some negative white space. Okay, so the colors are pretty. I like that purple and I believe it's teal. But I'll put the colors in the description bar. I really like the way this one turned out. See, happy accidents, that's what I call them. So we got a little set here going. I'll make one more, and then we'll let them dry and see how they look. So that's just one thing you can do with your mini blower. I've seen people use it to expand their Dutch pours when they're doing those. The force of it is not as soft as you would think. It's really got a really strong, see that? It's got a really strong little blow coming off of it. So, thanks for watching. So go out and pick yourself up a little mini blower, and put some paint on your tile and throw it down face down. See what happens. You'll have a good evening. Bye-bye.